Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how you can make a brick wall like this one. So remember to like, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Click on General, delete the cube, Shift A, create a new plane, push S on the keyboard and just make it big, something like that. That will do. R to rotate, and okay, this is the problem that I usually have when I want to rotate like this. So what I'll do is I'll get this rotating too, and I'll use this red rotating thingy and hold down Control, then just start rotating. So as you can see on the top right side, on the corner there, then there's an angle, so we want to go up to 90 degrees, and that looks amazing. So now the next thing is to position the camera. So I'll split my screen right here, and I'll make this side my camera view so that I can see everything. And let's select the camera. Let's start positioning this thing. Let's move it up. Let's face up like that. Okay, so now go to the shading tab, and that will just take a minute, and we're here. So I want to be seeing this in my camera view. So while selecting the plane, just come here on new, and you can get a texture of a brick wall. I got this one from Polygon. They've got amazing textures. So just get the color and then drag it and drop it in here. So the color goes to the base color. So you notice it has already changed. Okay, so and the next thing is you can get let's get the glossiness. Let's just put it here, drag this one and put it into the roughness. Then let's just move down. Next, let's get the normal map, bring it in and drop it here, then plug it into the normal. A normal map always goes with a normal map, so like you can just search for a normal map right here. Oops, my bad. Just delete that. What am I doing? Okay, normal map right there. So you plug in this one here. I don't know why it's being super shiny like this, but let me just add the displacement, then I'll fix everything in case the still don't look very well. So we have a displacement map here, and you just drag it, drop it. So this is a free texture, you can actually go and get it, and I'll put the link in the description. This goes together with a bump map. Let me just get a bump map, drag it here and put it into the height, and get this one, plug it into the normal down here, and I'll get this normal and plug it into this normal here. Oops, they don't look very well. Let me just organize them. So there's okay, let me just pull this one up. Okay, and just organize these ones down here. All right, so let me get, so for this one, the glossiness, since I put it into the roughness, sometimes it's inverted. I don't know what happened with these things, so just look for an invert and just put it there. so it will invert things, and yeah, things start look better, a bit better than before. So one more thing, I like to drag this color and plug it into the strength as well, and well, we got that. Okay, so I still don't like my camera angle here. Let me just position the camera a bit better. But I feel like the first one was better. I think let me just remove this. Yeah, this looks actually, I like it better like this. All right, now to position my camera. So I'll go into the top view. Okay, so you can put your camera the way you want, but for me, I think this is okay. And once we are done, I'll I'll come under, while we're still under shading, change from object to world, and just push the dot on the keyboard, because like at that point I couldn't see any of this stuff. So shift A on the keyboard and then look for an environment texture, and then just bring it here and plug it in, and then open to look for your HDRI images. If you have, if you don't have, you can actually just go to HDRI Heaven and just download. They're free. So I'll just put in one here, take a moment and it will show. So oh, it's not showing because, let me just change this to cycles and then change this to shaded, viewport shaded. Let me just push 7 on the keyboard, and so my light is behind here, so I'll select my light and just bring it in front, and light settings, I will bump this up to 10,000. So let me just bring this a bit in. Oops. So just get the light, let me move it away, just a bit away like that, and make the size bigger of the light. Okay, I think 10,000 is just way too many watts, so let's just bring this to 5,000. Since we already have a light there, let's just push 3 and move it up. Okay, so I don't know if this thing is updating in real time. I don't think it is. I feel like it's not responding. Okay. All right, so what I want to do now is just duplicate this light. So I'll make another one here and also put another one just behind the camera this side. All right, I think I'm liking what I'm seeing already. Okay, so let me just zoom it out. So by the way, to zoom it out, you have to click, you have to push G, then before you move, you hold Control and alternate and then let go. Oh, and then click on the camera with your mouse button and it will zoom out. Okay, so let's see now. Let's go back to our object. All right, and if you invert it, what happens? Okay, let's see. So this invert, you just put it on 0.5 because we need that reflection. Okay, I think that's a bit too much though. So Let's just put it on 0.8. All right. Okay, so that looks good. So let's just do our final render, and we are done. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to like, subscribe, and catch me in the next video. Bye bye.